Brazilian waxing. Many think it's just about hair removal. But there's more to it. Let's explore why people choose this option. Confidence, comfort, culture, and personal choice are key factors. You may discover why it makes sense for you, too. Waxing isn't solely about smooth skin. It's about feeling good in your own body. Many find it refreshing and empowering. This isn't just grooming, it's a lifestyle choice. Confidence grows when people wax. The smooth sensation can boost body positivity. It's not solely about pleasing others. It's about your feelings and self-expression. Grooming is personal empowerment. It's saying, "This is my body. I choose how I feel." There's a practical side to waxing. Athletes reduce friction and enhance performance. Swimmers enjoy a cleaner feel in water. Travelers love the time savings on trips. For the busy, waxing simplifies daily routines. It's about comfort and convenience, not just looks. Society influences our choices. Media often showcases smooth skin as ideal. Partners may express preferences, too. Remember, your comfort matters most. Beauty trends shift, but your choices remain yours. So, what drives waxers? Each person's reason is unique. Some seek confidence, others a lifestyle, and many just prefer it. There's no single reason to wax. Your body, your choice. What do you think? Could Brazilian waxing work for you? Or perhaps it doesn't. Either way, the decision is entirely yours. If this video sparked your interest, like and share it. Subscribe for more insights on health and lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Remember, confidence starts with what feels right for you.